Alright, I'm going to do an auxiliary view drawing here. So let me just open up one that I already have done. Get rid of everything. Alright, this one is the auxiliary view for the support. So I'm going to start object layer. I'm going to do the side view. Height here, 1.5 inches. This is going to be 2 5/8, so 625. You do the angle 2. It's on a 485. That'll be 135. That'll be plus 90. Turn my line weights on. Alright. Instead of doing thickness that way, I'm going to use offset to keep everything same thickness. Everything's a 1/2 inch. Okay, so I offsetted both these lines a 1/2 inch. I'm going to trim where they overlap. Close up the ends. And then I can transfer this to start my side view. Bottom over, corner over. Alright, width of it is 2 inches. Did I get it right? Yep. Bring this top edge over. Make this a center line. Alright, top of this is 5/8 both sides. Get rid of that line. Alright, I'm going to do the holes down here in the bottom. They are spaced 1/2 inch up from the bottom, 1/2 inch in from the side. Diameter, and they are 1/2 inch holes. Go to my hidden lines. Alright, brought over one hidden line for the top, bring over hidden line for the bottom, bring over a center line, alright, I'm going to move this over to give me room to do my auxiliary view.
Well, do you have any line paper or any?
Now I'm going to do my auxiliary view. I'm going to offset from this angled face some distance. Then we're going to offset the width, which is 2. We go back to my object lines. Close here. Close here. Let me bring up this bottom corner and connect down, trim this extra. Alright, up here, this is going to be where all this stuff is true size. So if I come from the midpoint, 5/8. 5/8, connect down, delete that original. I can delete these sides too. I'm going to put a center line. I'll just take it the whole way down. Alright, distances from this line to the center of the first one is 1 inch. And then 1 inch from center up to that one. So I'm going to do offset. 1 inch up. 1 inch up. Change these to center. Go back to object. These are radius 3/16. Lowest diameter 3/16. Alright, I can't go from the quadrant, so I go where the center line intersects, bring it down, intersection down, then trim. Alright, bring hidden lines down. Through my front view. Get rid of the guidelines. We'll bring center lines down to alright, so this view is all done. I need to bring these circles up here. I need to bring this groove over here. So I'll do the circles first. So I'm going to bring some guidelines. I'm just doing dimensions so it's easier to see. There. There. Alright. So that gives me my top edge, my bottom edge. Distance in from the side doesn't change. So I offset a 1/2 inch. Go back to object. And go axis end for the ellipse. Here, here, and then I can type in the radius. Their 1/2 inch diameter would be 0.25 radius. Got one there. Gonna be the same. Get rid of the guidelines. Get rid of those lines. Now I can make the second copy for where it is on the back face. I'm going to bring just one line up. That one for that bottom edge is going to be hidden. The spacing is going to be the same for these, so I can cheat and do copy, grab this corner, bring it back to that corner. Now they don't overlap, so both of these, full thing will be hidden, and I will connect the quadrants with a hidden line. And that just shows that the holes go the whole way through. Alright. One other thing, I'm going to bring up inside that bend, get rid of the guideline. Alright, top's all done. Now I just need to put this groove or slot into my right side view. Same thing, I'm going to bring over guidelines. Let me do it in dimension. Alright, there's top, center, bottom, center. Center ones, I'm bringing it from where it hits the surface, not the end of the line, because that could kind of be anywhere. Alright, I'm going to do axis end. Well, here, let me save myself some effort here. Width isn't going to change. Radius of this is 3/16, so I'm going to offset the center line 3/16 to both sides. Now, let me go object, axis end. Won't even have to type anything. Side to side, radius. Side to side, radius. Connect the Y points. Delete the guidelines. Trim the inside of the ovals. Alright, so that's the front face. Now I gotta bring the groove and everything from the back face. Gonna cheat the system a little bit. Bring this guideline over. Now if I select all of this, and I do copy, grab from here, and bring straight down. Get rid of that guideline. These two lines will be hidden. That inside edge, I would be able to see. This area I can see the whole way through the opening. From here down would all be hidden lines. So let me change these to hidden. Use trim. Use this edge. Trim the hidden back. And I gotta bring over the inside of the bend. Over. Now, connect up, connect up, connect. That's all three of the views. I'll quickly dimension this one out. I want my width. Go the two widths here. Add thickness, distance up, the distance in, move that down a little bit. On the angular face, I'll get this height to my 1.5 inches. We do my aligned ones from here to here, here to here. Pull that up to the top. Got my aligned. Let me do my angular. My 135. Let me do my radius and my diameter. Alright, got that. Thickness, width. Yep, that's everything. But that is what I'm looking for the auxiliary view of the support.